Hey, what's up, Harmony One Holder? So today video is going to be very special for Harmony Holder. And first of all, I'm sorry Harmony Holder for late video, but this video is going to be very urgent and very special for all of you holder. Especially if you are a new holder and a crafter market, then absolutely Harmony is starting moving up. I can't believe it. I cannot expect this today starting moving up, especially in this week. This is the start of month, and every crafter currency is very badly fails down. You can see here, especially Dogecoin also fails down, my friend. I cannot expect this to Dogecoin also fails down. But let's see, my friend. You can see this time that Harmony, I can't believe it, Harmony is absolutely starting moving up. One of the first Dogecoin, my friend, and this time in the crypto market, Harmony. Let's see the predicated to upcoming days. They go moving up or they fails down. What's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything discussed in this video with details. So before I get started this video, I request you to click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. My brother, if you can see here this time, the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and these 3 days is the especially first days of May. Absolutely, my friend, of May 1, May 2, May 3. These 3 days, my friend, you can see here on the chart is available on the screen. You can see here they completely fails down, especially in the first day of May. Absolutely, they fails down, and the reason is that to people starting selling. Absolutely, my friend, in the start of in the start of every month, people starting selling, and especially at the end, people starting buying. So at the end of March, my friend, they go April, they go in the moon, my friend. They're going very fastly. But this time you could see here, especially in this week, they fell down. The first week of this May, this month, absolutely they fell down. So my friend, after a bit fast, they also take a jump and they go in the moon completely. So we predicate, my friends, to after a fail, they take a jump. Absolutely, this is old formula and a crypto market. To every coin, take a jump after a bit fall. And this time you can see here, they also change occur as in positive. So it's mean to they cross the resistance line. If they fails down resistance line, then absolutely, my friend, they are in the loss in the change occur is in negative. So definitely, my friend, if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then we understand to this current time, we know to the current time they go moving up or they fails down, and this is very important. You can see here, my friend, I already told you today take a jump in this time, but absolutely I'm right. You can see here they change occur is in positive 1.19%. They're going up, so I think this is very good news for all Harmony holder. Congratulations everyone. In the last 1 hour, in the current time, you can see here they're starting moving up. So definitely, if the first week they start moving up, then I hope that this month is going very good from a Harmony holder. So please kindly hold it, and if you are a trust to buy more than exactly what research, personally, this is not a financial video. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my friend. So thank you so much. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.